Today's subject is health education and community pharmacy, and the chapter number 2 is nutrition and health. And in this lecture, we will see the subtopic is vitamins. Then what is vitamins? The vitamins are the organic molecules and which are essential micronutrients which are essential for organisms or organs for the need of proper functioning and its metabolism. And these vitamins are not synthesized in the body and it is supplied to the diet. It is called as vitamins. Then we have to see the vitamins are the essential nutrients which are required by the body in a very small amount. That is, it is called as the micronutrients. Then the vitamins do not supply energy, but they enable the body to use the other nutrients, since the body cannot be synthesize vitamins, but they must be provided by the food, means from the diet. It is called as the vitamins. Then we have to see the classification of vitamins. The classification the first classification is fat soluble vitamins, that is vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. This is called as the fat soluble vitamins. And second, we have to see the water soluble vitamins, that is vitamin B complex and vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid. Then we have to see first classification, that is fat soluble vitamins, that is vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, their disease conditions, their sources and their functions one by one. Then you have to see the vitamin A. The disease condition for vitamin A is, the first is night blindness, then second is dry skin, then third is acne, then fourth it is called as Bitot spot. The Bitot spot means it is built up by the keratin formation and it is the superficial in the conjunctiva of the eye spots. That is, it is called as the Bitot spots. The next disease condition is reproduction system damage. This is the disease condition of vitamin A. Then what is the sources of vitamin A? That is vegetables, then carrot, then spinach, then mangoes, papaya, milk and butter. These are the sources of vitamin A. Then next is the essential functions of the vitamin A. That is, first function is, it is necessary for protection of pigmentation. This is the main function. Then second, support the growth of the skeletal muscle, and third, it is act as a anti-infective in nature. Then these are the important functions of the vitamin A. Then we have to see the second vitamin, that is vitamin D. Then main disease conditions, that is rickets in childs and osteomalacia in adults. Then rickets, in this rickets there is the deficiency occurs by the vitamin D, that is less absorption of the calcium and phosphorus in the bones as well as bones, that is softening or weakening of bones occurs in the child. Then second, osteomalacia, this is occurs by the deficiency of vitamin D, means less absorption of calcium and phosphorus in the bones in adults, and that leads to fractures in the adults. This is condition called as the osteomalacia. Then next, what is the source? The sources of vitamin D, the first is sunlight, then second is soya oils, the milk, orange, fish, cheese and eggs. These are the sources of vitamin D. Then we have to see the main functions of vitamin D. The first is necessary for bones and teeth, because it increases the absorption of calcium and phosphorus in the bones and teeth. Then second, necessary for normal growth, and third, the use for kidney function. So these are essential functions of the vitamin D. Then next we have to see the vitamin E. The disease called as Alzheimer's disease, means the loss of mental function. Then the sources are soybean oil, lemon, orange, rice, nuts, seeds and vegetable. These are sources of vitamin D. Then next we will see the functions. The essential functions are, the first, regulate reproductive system, then act as an antioxidant, then regulate hormones and used for the cardiac disease. These are the essential functions of the vitamin D. Then next last is that is vitamin K. The disease condition is it increase the bleeding time due to the defective clotting mechanism. These are the disease condition or deficiency of vitamins K occurs, the increased bleeding time due to the defective clotting mechanism. Then what is the source? The first source is the spinach, then green leafy vegetables, then cow's milk, fish, cabbage and cauliflowers. These are the sources of vitamin K. And what is the essential function of vitamin K? The first, it is necessary for synthesis of the clotting factor. That is especially the prothrombin. This is the essential function of the vitamin K. Then in this lecture we have to see the first is what is vitamin, then second what is the classification of vitamin, that is fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, K, and water soluble vitamins, vitamins A, vitamins B complex and vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid. Then in this lecture we have to see the detail about the classification of vitamins, that is fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A, D, E, K. That is vitamins, their disease conditions, their sources and their important functions.